Hi everybody, this is Felicia and welcome to another Wild Whispers design video. Today I am going to be scrapping this photo here, and that's the photo of my daughter and me. And I'm going to be using the collection Fur Babies. Yay! I thought this would be a great picture to go ahead and scrap because we both have we're using one of the Snapchat filters, and I like that shows us like puppies and stuff. And so I thought it was the cutest thing ever because we almost look the same. So, which just prompted me to go ahead and scrap this photo. Now, I've scrapped this photo before, but because of the collection that Wild Whispers has, I decided to go ahead and use it for this collection. So I used a 3x4 card and I just cut out the title right there, Fur Babies. And I thought that would be great because it was hilarious. And then I also cut out that dog bone there. And so that's going to be part of the layout. And I also decided to use these enormous cork arrows. And I really like those cork arrows. I was going to use that emoji smiley face, but I changed my mind. So I like this background paper. It is beautiful. It has all kinds of sayings on it. This collection is just great, you guys. So if you have any fur babies or any dream like I've done before, because I don't own a dog yet, because I'm too busy for it right now. And so, oops, sorry about that. That was my Mac. And so I just had to figure out, how I was going to use this background, paper, the collection here. And so that's why I decided to go ahead and just scrap this photo. So as you can see, it's very versatile. You can scrap anything you want. And this was the perfect layout for me to scrap the photo of us. And I'm using a very old piece of element on here too as well. What I try to do is when I'm scrapping this paper, I don't want to cover up the paper because I love the designs and I want to be able to display the paper. So I decided to go ahead and put this little frame around it because I thought this would be really, really cute. And it actually worked out pretty good. I like that. And it took me a little bit to cut that frame. So I did not show that process on the camera because I wanted to make sure it was even, and so I didn't show that process, but I did cut the inner part of that. That is just plain cardstock, and I just put that on there. So now I'm going to go ahead and raise up the dog bone to make it 3D. I thought it would be cute to kind of give it a little elevation there, and then go ahead and put it over the top here of the title. Like I said, Wild Whispers has some great papers, awesome, and I thought that would be cute to put on there. And then these enormous cork arrows also came from Wild Whispers Designs. And I love those too because I also had the mammoth stars and the ampersand cork too from them too as well. So I'm going to add just a few more pieces on here. Like I said, I don't want to cover up the paper so that you can get a good look at it. And so I'm just putting a few more elements on here, and then I'm going to be and those elements are little puffy stickers, and they're from an older collection, and I can't remember what it was for some reason. But I know it's an old, I think it's a crepe paper old collection, but I just can't remember. Oh my gosh. So anyway, so that little space down there, I'm going to go ahead and put some journaling down there. And it's basically just explaining the filter and how we like to play around with the Snapchat filters. And there's a whole bunch of stuff on there. Some of those Snapchat filters look a little creepy, but but yeah, so that's exactly what the journaling is just talking about, and how we both decided that it'd be a cool idea to take a picture of us both because we both have pretty much almost the same hairdo as well. So we have we just play around a lot with the camera, and this was a great opportunity for us to do so. Alrighty, so this was a pretty short video. I'm going to go ahead and sprinkle some Heidi Swap mist here. And, oops, sorry, that was my head. And be sure to tune in to more of the Wild Whispers designs. There's a lot of us here that are doing a lot of layouts for them. And make sure you check out their shop. They have lots and lots and lots of goodies and very, very good quality papers and goodies, guys. So I want to thank you once again so much for watching. And if you have any questions, feel free to post them below. Thank you guys once again. Have a great and wonderful day. Bye-bye.